local nuclear power plant is close to meltdown. This is a civil emergency. All civilians near the Valdez Cordova area in Alaska must evacuate to other areas of Alaska or get into local shelters nearby. Radiation will spread after the meltdown is initiated. All workers in the Valdez Cordova power plant has evacuated and moved to local shelters. The power plant is expected to melt down around 12 a.m. Alaska Daylight Time. This warning will be in effect until further notice. Repeating, a nuclear power plant warning is in effect for Valdez Cordova area in Alaska until further notice. The radiation can cause several diseases and can cause injury or death. Evacuations have been activated. Evacuation routes are from Cordova to McCarthy, Alaska, Valdez to Whittier, Alaska. Any civilians near the power plant or in reach of 50-mile radius must evacuate immediately.
Are you sure he should be using a saw?
Well, not a plastic one.
I knew that looked.
Civil authorities have issued a radiological hazard warning in the areas of Willow Creek, Alaska, Townsena, Alaska, Kenny Lake, Alaska, Copper Springs, Alaska until further notice. A nuclear power plant near the Valdez area occurred a meltdown. Radiation is flowing through the areas of Valdez Cordova and is most likely to spread more than near the following areas in this warning. If you are in these areas, get into a shelter now or start evacuating towards the north of Alaska. Radiation could move slowly or quickly depending on the wind. The wind speeds have a high chance to increase and spread radiation quickly. Radiation could cause diseases including cancer, which could be deadly. Leave these following areas now. All areas have ceased broadcast for evacuation reasons.
The fluid's in the floorboard.
Oh man, that's a soft drink machine.
That fluid, meatwad.
This is ARCT Radio for Workman's, Alaska. We have some breaking news outside of Valdez, Alaska. The Valdez nuclear power plant has exploded and has caused radiation to spread around areas near Valdez, including Workman's. We have no update on either the radiation is coming our way, but we will find out.
Workman's, Alaska is in the high danger risk of being hit with radiation and remnants of the reactor near Valdez nuclear reactor plant. Workman's is under a shelter-in-place alert due to this active emergency. Radiation is extremely high near the Workman's area and is planning to get worse by the next few hours. Stay in shelter until the coast is clear. Stay in shelter until the coast is clear. Civil authorities have issued a contaminated water warning for Hawkins Island, Alaska, Hinchinbrook Island, Alaska, Cordova, Alaska, Alleginic, Alaska until 6:24 a.m. on July 28, 2018. Due to the nuclear power plant explosion at Cordova, radiation has spread towards north and is spreading towards the water. Water at the islands and soon Tonsina Lake has been contaminated. Do not drink or wash your face and hands with the contaminated water as it will cause diseases and sickness. Tap water is also contaminated. To be safe, drink bottled water or boil your own water until it is safe to drink again.
This is the Anchorage Broadcast Radio with an emergency update. A nuclear power plant has exploded near Valdez and is spreading radiation nearby. Several warnings have been issued about the radiation, and the wind seems to be picking up.
This is a civil emergency alert for the Anchorage area, due to the radiation from the explosion of the nuclear power plant near Valdez. Anchorage is under moderate alert for radiation contamination. Please be advised on your local television or radio for more further updates on this alert.
As you just heard, that alert has been broadcasted all around the Anchorage area, due to the severe amount of radiation that is most likely heading towards this area in the next upcoming days. We will give you more updates on this as soon as we can.